Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafted Made Easy. If you're interested to see how I made this sublimation luggage tag, stand by. Alright, so items you'll need to complete this project include sublimation luggage tags. I believe I purchased these off of Etsy. I will definitely put the link down in the description box below. They came with these luggage straps, so that was a bonus. Also, you'll need a sublimation printer to print out your sublimation image. You'll also need heat-resistant tape, a heat press or a easy press. So you can use your Cricut easy press as long as it goes up to the temperature that you require to sub off of your sublimation paper. Some sublimation paper does not require you to go all the way up to 400 degrees. So that's why I said use a heat press or easy press that can go up to the temperature that you require. You'll also need a sheet of butcher paper or copy paper to cover your image up once you're pressing it. And I think that, and a lint roller to clean your surface off. I believe that is all. If I am missing anything, I will definitely put it down in the description box below. All right, now that that's out the way, let's get started. Okay, so you will go ahead and find an image. So I have this image here that I will be putting on the front of my luggage tag, and on the back I just have my name and phone number. If my luggage gets lost, they can contact me. I'm not sure where I got the original image from. It originally said Black Girl Magic. I just changed it to travel. I changed the girl to travel, and I'm not sure where I got this image from, like the Tinkerbell and all that other stuff, because I got it a long time ago. I cannot tell you where. I wish I could remember, but I don't know because I got it a long time ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I do not recall where I got it from. But like I said, it did originally say Black Girl Magic. So if you're looking for this image, look for Black Girl Magic and maybe you'll be able to pull it up. I did put travel instead of the Black Girl. So you'll print out your image on your sublimation printer. And then before you do that, you want to measure your blank. So whatever size tags you have, because they do come in different sizes. So whatever tag you have, you want to get your measuring tape and you want to measure across and down. So width and height. So you definitely want to put those two measurements into your machine. Make your template, so your square or rectangle, a little bit bigger, but you definitely want to get the measurements down packed so you will not waste your ink or your paper when you're sublimating. And if you end up purchasing these, I'll put the measurements of these into the description box below. But I also believe they're on the website where I purchased them from, so they'll also be there. Next, you'll just want to, I'm just taking butcher paper or copy paper and putting it on the bottom because I didn't before and it bled, the image bled onto my mat, so I don't want it to bleed onto my luggage tag. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down and then put my luggage tag here. I'm going to go across it with a lint roller to remove any type of lint that I cannot see. Okay, so my lint roller wants to act wonky. So I'm just going to roll it across. And your image can be of anything, okay? You do not necessarily have to purchase this image. Your image can be of anything you desire. It could be your face. It could be your business logo. It can be anything. If you have your business logo, that's another way to advertise your business. But if you have something else and people ask you, oh, where'd you get that from? You can say, I made it, pass out a business card, keep it moving. But like I said, you can put whatever you want onto your luggage tag. It doesn't necessarily have to be this image. All right, so once you align your image onto your tag, I just go ahead and tape it down onto my surface. so it does not move. And I'm gonna do all 4 sides. And if you're printing on front and back, you can actually print it at the same time. I typically don't because I like to actually see how it's going to look once I'm pressing it. So I always do it like one at a time. But you can put the other image on the back if you have 2 images, or if you have like me, your name and so forth like that, you can actually put it on the back and then tape it down and then press, and it'll sublimate on both sides at once. However, I don't do that. I do it one at a time because it's just easier for me to do that. Next, I'm gonna take another sheet of copy paper. You can use craft paper, brown paper, cardstock, whatever you want to put on the top so it does not bleed onto your heat press. And then I'm going to press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you just remove that. And then very carefully, I'm just going to peel up my tape. And it is very hot, so be very, very careful. And then I'm just going to, just gonna lay back down, pull it back up and release it. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. All right. And there we go. Just like that. Easy and simple. And then if you have the passport covers, you can do the same image on the passport covers, and you can sell the luggage tag and the passport covers as a set. Alrighty, so then you would just put your luggage thing here, and I think it will go like this. Yeah, and then you'll loop it onto your luggage, put this here, put this one through the second loop, and pull it through, and then snap it with the 2 things here, and then it'll be secured onto your luggage. But there you go, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this short video showing you how to sublimate on luggage tags. Like I said, it is really easy. All you really need is the tags and the straps, and if you have a sublimation printer, then you're all set. But if you don't, then you'll have to buy all that other stuff. But if you have the main ingredient, which is the sublimation printer, the ink, and the paper, you can also use copy paper, high quality copy paper if you don't necessarily have sublimation paper. But if you have the main ingredients like the printer and the ink, then you'll be all set to go ahead and print onto these luggage tags. And like I said, if you run a business, you sell them, you can add them with passport covers, or you can just sell them by themselves. But if you have passport covers, you can sell it as a bundle, and you can increase your income. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that excuse me, I was about to say sublimation button. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And also, if you have not joined my Facebook group, go ahead and join us today. It is called Craft and Made Easy, same as the YouTube channel. And there you can go ahead and share all of your crafts, all of your questions, and I am more than likely to answer any questions you may have in that group versus YouTube, because I do not get to see everyone's YouTube comment. Sometimes it's there, but then when I go to reply, it's like disappeared or whatever. So I'm not able to answer everyone's question. So if you have a question that you really need help with, you can go ahead and submit it in the Facebook group, or you can email me or DM me on my business page, Instagram, which is Up at Midnight Custom Designs LLC. It'll all be in the description box below. All right, y'all, with all of that said, I hope you have a beautiful day, and until next time, Peace.